Hey friend, in this video I'm trying to show you how to download and install Evo Player Pro on Amazon Fire Stick. Before starting the video, if you need any IBTV you can contact me on WhatsApp. My WhatsApp number available in the description. Let's start the video. First of all, open the downloader app and put that code in the search bar 923441. Wait for the 5 seconds. After that, Evo Player Pro is automatically downloading. Just wait for it to download. After download, install and open it. Now you need a device ID, device key and URL to watch IBTV on it. So, put your device ID and device key. If you don't have a device ID and device key, then contact me on WhatsApp. I will give you a device ID and device key at affordable prices. If you like this video, subscribe my YouTube channel. Thanks for the watching.